Hi, it's VS Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay perception of light. Okay, so ito yung kanyang FB page. So yan po ha, yung spelling. Yes. Okay. And yeah, don't forget to follow. And yeah, kung may mga tanong po pagdating rin sa ating mga evil eye items, message lang po kayo. Okay? Sasagot naman si admin. Okay, so isa-isahin ko the all-in-one evil eye bracelet. This is unisex, adjustable, and meron po itong, may nilalagay po kaming initial na kung sino yung magmamayari. Okay? And syempre, ito yung isa nating evil eye bracelet. Okay? So, ito yung isang design. Ito naman is garterized. Okay? So, ganyan siya. And yes, unisex. Okay, so ito naman yung ating evil eye ring, adjustable, non-tarnish, and hypoallergenic. And ito naman ang ating evil eye necklace. Okay, na kahit lalaki is nakakagusto. Oo, yan siya. Okay, so hypoallergenic, non-tarnish, and meron po siyang extenders. Okay, so ito. Yan, ang extenders niya, ha? Okay. So, again, kung may mga tanong po, ha? Message lang kayo. Nandiyan naman lagi si ating admin. And, syempre, pagdating sa ating The Granter, yes, kailangan ko na or kailangan na rin ni admin ang mga paramdam ng mga nagpa-reserve, yung mga nakapagpa-reserve na nakapag-settle na. Thank you. And yung iba naman na hindi pa galaw-galaw. Okay, galaw-galaw po, ha? Okay. So, hanggang Friday. Hanggang Friday po. Okay? So, yon. Kung hindi po aabot ng Friday, okay? Friday afternoon. Okay po, Friday afternoon hanggang mga 5 p.m. Okay? So, hindi na po namin i-go yung inyo. Ha? Okay? Kita namin yung mga pangalan ng mga nagpa-reserve. Okay? So, kung hindi kayo aabot at hindi kayo kahit sabihin, mag-reply, ha? Magparamdam, ibibigay na po namin sa iba yon. Okay, babawiin ko na kung anong meron doon sa necklace. Babaguhin ko na po yon. Okay, kung anong meron doon sa necklace. Sa iba ko na po ibibigay. Pasensya na po. Okay, and yeah. Okay, kung darating man sa pagkakataon, na kayo ay lalapit muli, wala na po. Ha? Okay, wala nang chance. I'm sorry. So, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, anong messages for you guys? Okay, anong kailangan yung malaman? Kailangan malaman ng mga air signs. Okay, so ito dalawa. The Empress. Okay, energy ng pregnancy. Pregnancy, this is energy of progress. Okay, improvement. Nandyan rin yung pangmatagalan. Okay, what's with that? Ooh, the Eight of Cups. This is an energy of growth. Okay po, growth po ito ha, in general. Yes. Okay, yeah, see the star. Yeah. Okay. There's improvement coming. Mga air signs, may improvement. Yeah. Some of you, meron ditong parang mas lalong lumalalim yung emosyon niya sa'yo. Pwedeng Taurus, Virgo, Libra, Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. So, what else? Yeah, see the lovers. Okay, the lovers. Okay, iba sa inyo, may chance ng pregnancy talaga ha kung meron kayong mga kapartner sa ngayon. If you're not ready, don't. Okay? Oo. Gumamit ng proteksyon. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Wands. May paglalandi akong nakukuha. Flirt, flirt. Ha? Air signs. Okay. Meron ditong parang makikipagkita, makikipag-date with their lover. Yes. May gagastos para sa date. Okay. Some of you, if you're single, may energy ng ah, new connection. Okay? Pwede kasi may mga nagkakagusto sa inyo, air signs. Okay? Pwedeng Gemini and fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. What else? Air signs, Knight of Cups. See, there's an offer coming and this is love. Okay, this is Cups. Yeah, the High Priestess. Someone is like in love with you. Like secretly in love. Okay? Secretly. Yeah. Meron ditong gustong talagang manligaw or lumigaw. Parang ganun. May gustong kumunik. This is energy ng connections. Yeah. Okay? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng may dalawang tao ang lalapit. Trying to connect. Yes, trying to connect. Kasi there's improvement, no? Maybe pagdating sa physical looks mo, may attraction, like big attraction, or yun nga, may improvement pagdating sa physical looks, no? So that's why nakaka-gain or nakakuha ka ng attraction from other people. Okay? So there, some of you may re-reject ka talaga. Yes. Ang nakukuha ko kasi is ang energy ng mga to is someone who is sabihin nating mas mababa kaysa sa'yo. Okay? So there. Some of them pwedeng younger. Yeah. Lalo na iba dito na may anak. Okay? Yung may tendency mag-isip na baka hindi na ako magkaroon ng someone. Okay, sige. Magfo-focus na ako sa self ko. Yung may mga ganon, yun pa yung mga makakakuha ng mga suitors or may mga gustong kumunik, mga ganyan. Okay? So, yun. Next. Okay, fire signs. Hang on. Okay. Fire signs. Okay, masyado namang malinaw. Wala nang makita sa linaw. Okay, fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ano ang kailangan nyong malaman? Messages, energy check-ins, predictions. Okay, ano bang meron for you? I need to reshuffle. Masyadong maganit. Why? Okay. One more for fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. See you later. Sa ating live mamayang 5 p.m. Okay, ngayong Tuesday. So, sinabi ko talaga yung araw kasi baka mamaya mapanood ng iba Friday na. Panood ng iba ito Friday na. No, Tuesday, April 9. Okay. So, the world. Okay, so this is pwedeng sabihin nating changes or endings, mga ganyan. Okay? Some of you, this is travel. Okay? Yeah, the page of wands in reversed. Okay. So, I think, andito yung mga plano. Andyan lang yung procrastinations, delays. Kailangan ng talagang execution, no, sa mga plano para magkaroon na ng pagbabago. Okay, so, I'm seeing here specific message na someone na naninirahan ng malayo, no? Oo, sa'yo. Parang gustong like makaalala ka man lang daw. They're sad. Yes, pwedeng Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, and Scorpio. Okay? May fire sign din. Yeah. Someone living far away. Oo. Okay. What else? May delay na lakad yung iba dito. Okay. The Ace of Pentacles. So, a surprise is coming maybe. Okay, a surprise, an offer. Okay? Yeah, the Fool. Oh! May pag-alis talaga. May pag-travel ako nakikita rito na may kaakibat na ano eh. Kaakibat talaga, no? Oo, pwedeng regarding sa work, ganyan. Yeah. Mayroong mga uumpisahan, may mga, I don't know if this is investing or pag-open ng business. Yeah. The Four of Swords in reverse. Parang, ang tawag dyan, pag-execute. Okay? Taking a risk. Taking a risk. Okay. Be careful pagdating sa hindi mo kailang ipangalandakan lahat ng kung anong meron ka, lalo na sa social media. Okay? Hindi, well, gusto mo yun eh. Pero I think, just be careful, lalo na kung regarding pera or something like material things, yung parang mainit sa mata. Yeah, be careful, okay? Pwedeng may mawala something, ma-misplace, ganyan. Okay? What else? The Queen of Wands. Okay. So, I'm seeing here changes, may paggastos pagdating sa sarili. Some of you, this is like a major operation. Okay? Yeah, parang to improve health or looks. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, to boost their confidence. Meron ditong talagang gagastos ng malaki. Yes, may gagastos ng malaki. Some of you, talaga namang pinag-ipunan mo, pinaghirapan mo to. Yeah. You deserve that. Okay? You deserve that. So, there. May mga gagastos para sa sarili, para magkaroon ng improvement. Yeah. Next. Water signs. Okay. So, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. So, anong message for you? Messages, please, for water signs. Okay. The Moon. Okay. And the Empress. There's a secret pregnancy. Mayroon ditong nagtatagong buntis. Buntis yon, pero itinatago yung kanyang kalagayang buntis. Hindi ko ma-explain. Tinatago niyang buntis siya. Okay? Or may nagtatago na parang may nakabuntis. Parang ganyan. Ha? Yeah. Someone is attracted sa'yo. Water signs. Secretly. Some of them, they're falling in love. Pwedeng water sign like you, Taurus, Virgo, and Libra. Ang nakakuha ko rito. Okay. Merong lumalalim ng emosyon. Yeah, the Three of Cups. Okay. The Page of Wands in reverse. Meron ditong KJ. May nakukuha ko ditong KJ. May magiging KJ pagdating sa mga friends mo. Okay? Like, ano ba naman yan? Nakakainis ka naman ng KJ mo. Yun. Okay? May mga ganyan. Okay. Meron dito, some of you meron kayong mga kaibigang sabihin nating toxic or BI. Madalas kong makita, ma'am, ano po yung BI? Bad influence. Ha? Okay? Yes. I'm seeing someone sa circle of friends nyo, may nagfi-flirt sa kanila. Okay. Yeah. May nagfi-flirt sa kanila and wala kang kaalam-alam doon. That's specific. Hindi yan para sa lahat. Okay. Uh-huh. Maritesan no? Okay. The Fool. Yeah, talagang may nakatago dito. Okay, the Fool and the Knight of Cups in reverse. Someone will get caught. Oo, someone will get caught. May mahuhuli dito na gumagawa ng kung ano. Yes. Okay? So, pwedeng may pag-aming mangyayari dyan, kung ano man yan. Third party involvement. Okay? So, wait lang po ha. Sandali lamang. Okay. So, yeah. Yun lamang. Okay. May tatakas together with their friends. Okay. Iba sa inyo ha. Mayroon kayong mga kaibigan na akala nila pinagmumukha kang TNGA ng mga to. They're talking behind you. Talking something. Yeah. May secret. Mga ganun. Pinagtatawanan ka behind your back. Ang pangit nito. Sa totoo lang. Okay, meron kayong mga plastic na kaibigan, water signs. Pinaplastic kayo. Okay. Be careful. Choosing your friends. Next, earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay. So, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Anong message for you? The High Priestess in reverse. So, parang merong mga sikretong marireveal. Okay? May mga magbibigay ng secrets nila. May mga mag-share ng secrets sa'yo. Oh no. The Knight of Wands in reverse. Okay. So, here comes the player. Okay? So, ang player na to, parang ika-crack open ka. Okay? Don't expect big sa kanila. Okay? They just want ganun lang. Ganun lang po ang gusto nila. They don't want any kind of serious relationship with you. Okay? So, pwedeng gusto lang nito na ma-fall ka, ganyan. Mapababae, mapalalaki. Yes. Meron ditong mahuhuli na talagang may nagloloko. Merong mahuhuli. Pwedeng Cancer yan, pwedeng fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Pero this is Sagittarius. Okay. What else? The Hierophant in reversed. And the Two of Swords in reversed. Okay. So there's an offer na marireject or i-reject. Maybe because of they're too afraid committing. Parang ganyan. Okay? This is commitments coming. Pero, I don't know. Dapat kailangan mo makapag-desisyon ng tama dito. Okay? Kailangan mo mag-desisyon. Meron offer na parating, pero I don't know if you're ready. Okay? So, mas maganda talagang may mga plano ka. Pero kung yun nga, hindi ka handa sa parating na ito, mas magandang pag-isipan mo munang maigi, no? Bago ka gagawa or bago ka gumawa ng decision. Okay? Yeah. Kasi baka pagsisihan if ever. Sa huli, ayaw natin yun. Okay? What else? Earth signs. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Someone is, committing adultery. Like, there's lies, deception, being sneaky, mga ganyan, sneakiness, may pagtatago. Okay, may mga pagsisinungaling, ganyan. Okay? Sino to? The Ten of Wands. Oh my God. May energy dito, Earth sign, na pwedeng may babalik. Pagbalik nito, lalong hindi magiging maganda yung sitwasyon. Like, burden. Magiging burden ito. Okay? I don't know kung ano to. Yeah, the Sun in reversed. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you, hindi, okay, may nakakuha ko rito, may tawag dyan, may nag-i-skip pagdating sa maintenance, medicines. Okay? So, wag matigas ang ulo. Kung anong meron, sundin. Okay? Kasi lalong, hindi natin alam kung anong meron. Kung ganun nga, no? Baka mas lalong bumigat pa, mas lalong lumala ang mga kondisyon. Ha? Okay, so, yes. Huwag kayo mag-skip. Okay? I'm seeing here someone, sana walang ganito, pero, ano ba yung tawag dyan? Sakit na traidor sa puso. Okay, yun pong nakikita ko, ha? Be careful. Oo, so, tingnan natin, the Sun in reverse. Tingnan natin what's with this Seven of Swords. Akala nyo, parang wala lang, okay naman ako, ganyan. Yeah, the Hangman in reverse. So, parang, parang ang pakiramdam kasi, wala to. Ganun lang. Okay naman na. No. Ha? Okay? Hindi natin nakikita kung ano bang meron. Some of you, you need to see a doctor. Okay? So, sabi ko nga palagi kapag may ganito ako nakukuha ang energy, I'm not a doctor para magsabi kung anong dapat mong gawin. Kung alam mong may sakit ka, you need to see a doctor. Okay? Yeah, see? The Queen of Cups. That's emotion. Ano bang meron sa emotion? Heart. Okay? So, and nakita ko si Queen of Pentacles. That is health in reverse. Okay? Be careful pagdating sa health. Yeah. Health-wise, ang sinasabi. Just be in moderation and keep healthy. Parang mga ganyan. Okay? Avoid doings na hindi maganda. Hindi nakaka-healthy. Stress, mga ganyan. Tanggalin nyo muna yan, ha? Lalo na kung iba sa inyo is maedad na po. Ha? Okay? So, gusto natin na maging healthy tayo every day, every night. Okay? So, again, dito muna dito natapos ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.